What's up guys, it's Takuya. Today I'm gonna show you my development workflow for building React Native apps. I posted a video about my tmux and Vim setup, and check it out if you haven't watched it yet. I'm developing an app called Inkdrop, a Markdown note taking app that helps organize your Markdown notes across devices. I also built the mobile version with React Native, which lets you build an app that runs on iOS and Android. And as you can see, it works very smoothly like a native app. It's very easy to make it support both iOS and Android. So I'd like to show you how I usually code React Native apps with Vim and tmux setup. As an example, let's make a simple soft-looking button. I personally love skeuomorphic UI. It was very popular GUI design taste until 2013. And recently I found a great skeuomorphic design by Alexander Prudo. He suggested a vision what applications would look like if we live in a dimension where skeuomorph is still alive and continued its evolution in mobile interfaces. And I love it, and many people felt the same. And Mikhail Malvix calls it neumorphism, which means new skeuomorphism. And he also made a website which allows you to generate a CSS code for building soft UI. In this video, I'm gonna build it on React Native. And here is the result. Cool, right? And it took about 40 minutes to build. And what I'd like to show you in this video is not just about how to build, but also how to find a way to build. And so it will be my process on building things while making some mistakes and struggling with errors, searching for a hint on Google and solving them. So please copy and steal how I find a way to solve from it. So let hacking begin. Let's start off by initializing a new Outline project. And next, install dependencies and prepare working, checking the project directory, and split the window, launch Vim, and open some files, run React Native compiler, and build the app and run iOS simulator. Explore project files, and waiting for the build to finish and understand app.js. Okay, you've got simulator launched, and delete unnecessary views. Scroll view, and views are unnecessary. Okay. And these sections are also unnecessary. And add some text. And check the result. Looks good. Next, delete unused imports. Okay. And we don't need styles, so delete unused styles. Okay, and let's create a new directory named source and create a new JS file inside it. Name it neumorphism button.js. And open it and import libraries, React, and some components from React Native. And let's create a button component. Define props, export this component, as a default. And sketching component until I get some idea for the design. I don't think much anything at this point. And there's actually a no button component in React Native. It is my habit on using native-based components and thinking of what props it should accept while sketching next node. Realize the button does not exist, and we erase it. And put the button on the screen to check how it looks like. And thinking what props it should accept. Text, no. Children prop is more appropriate for this button. Okay. And back to create the button. It doesn't need text component anymore. And let's replace it with children. And next step is to implement button styles. Let's copy it. Where is the style seed? And paste it. And let's copy styles as well. And paste. And rename the style name. What should I name the outer view? Outline? So let's name it outline for now. Oops, what happened? Our colors, I don't use it. Change it to red for now. And add some padding. Okay, it looks nice. It's time to copy the style from the website. Import neumorphism CSS. How can I apply box shadow on React Native? Let's Google it. Box shadow React Native. And looks like it's an issue on styled components. I guess I can use it. Here. And does it work? Oh yeah. Good. So let's copy the parameters for the shadow. And how is that? Checking how shadow offset works. Let's change background color. Oops. Background color is duplicate. And it's there is a typo. Okay, gotcha. Shadow looks too small. How to make it bigger? Let's check out the issue again. Shadow radius. That's it. Let's use it. And let's apply shadow radius. Neat. Okay, let's change the shadow color. And great. Let's build the background view. Let's also change the body's background color. Oh, it didn't change the entire screen. Well, let's change safe area view as well. Let's define container style and then and set background color. Okay, so view height is too low. That's strange. So how about safe area view? Okay, it finally worked. Next, let's add grout to the button. Let's rename style to button outer. And let's add inner view. fix the style name and add button inner style. Paste it and change the shadow parameters. Let's change the shadow offset and shadow color. Make the shadow color lighter. Let's see the result. It doesn't look like button at all. Thinking of why. Is it because shadow radius is too large? Yes, it is close.
Cool.
Let's make it more smaller. I have to fix the shadow offset to get it right. I guess it looks better to set radius to 24, so let's revert it. I'd like to try setting 18 to radius. Looks good. Now it looks quite good at this point, but I'd like to improve its bottom face to look more beautiful. So considering to add a linear gradient. And we need to implement event handling of the button. Vue component doesn't have events like touch down or up, so searching for the RN documentation. I forgot how to use that component. Yes, that's what I want to use. Touchable without feedback. How do I know touch is? Looks like those can do that. And let's try it. And define callback functions. Cleaning up warnings. Why is ESLint angry? So the second argument of use callback looks like mandatory. Okay, let's add an empty dependency for now. Add a state for remembering its pressed state.
State, use state.
Well, it's down is better, I guess. Now it's time to add linear gradient to the bottom. But how? I found a React Native linear gradient component, so let's install it. We compile the project. I'm getting an error while breathing. Why? Oops, I forgot to run pod install command. Good, let's try again. Cool, works fine. Well, how to use this? Let's check out the documentation and found an example code. Let's copy it and yeah, it worked. Looks like padding is unnecessary. Let's remove it and add the style for button face. Let's reproduce the gradient. Cool. How to add an angle to the gradient? I don't understand how to pass those parameters at all. Let's try adding it to start sheet. I guess it doesn't work though. Yes, it doesn't work. The doc is lack of information. Let's search. Let's try his code. Here. And remove start sheet and paste the props. Oh well, it looks like working. Nice. Let's see if I change the angle. Okay, got it. Copy the angle from the website. Okay, it works fine. So, what if I changed angle center? So seems like it should be 0.5. It doesn't look the same. Am I missing something? Let's try making the button taller. Let's set mean height to 100. 200. Okay, it looks very close to the website. Good.
Looks nice.
Yeah. Very nice. Let's make it behave more like bottom component. Almost there. Finished. Yeah, cute. And that's it. Now you've got the skeuomorphic button running on React Native. And you can check out my code on GitHub from the link below. And I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, please push the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more videos like this one in the future. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.